What do you think? Not so good? You want to try a smaller piece? Try a smaller piece? Yeah, you got a lot of avocado in there now. Oh, but you ate that one, didn't you? Yeah, good job. Wow, good job. Here, this one's smaller. This one's smaller. Here you go. Here you go. Okay. I think we're not going to be eating any more avocado today. All right, sweetie.